Salut. Sac vide, pas campé. Qui c'est capot, augmenter rivière.
When the sky falls and the earth quakes, we gon' put this back together, we won't break. When the sky falls and the earth quakes, we gon' put this back together, we won't break. Sap I say, my part of princess, my Haitian gods, and all of my princesses. Our condolences as you fighting against this. We're right by your side while we trying to make sense of this. Heavenly Father, help us see through these problems. And for those that left, accept them in your garden. See, here's my theory, the country's already starving, so we sacrifice many, this should light on all of them. Y'all please pardon, I speak from my heart. It's the only way I can see this tragedy befalling them. So let's get involved with them, hand in hand with them, arm to arm with them, till they get strong again. When the sky falls,
tomorrow can't wait until tomorrow. Haiti, mi amor, Haiti, mon amour. Not gonna leave you stranded. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
sky falls and the earth quakes, we gon' put this back together, we won't break. When the sky falls and the earth quakes, we gon' put this back together, we won't break. We learned from the past, New Orleans was flooded, so we know we just can't rely on the government. We under the rubble again, here we go rumbling. When we gon' catch a break? My friend lost his mother and then Colleen lost her uncles and them, buried with no caskets, they just put covers on them. And the tears fall, but we fight back. Story ain't done, can't end like that. Nah, not like this. Small but survivors gon' carry on your name. You live on inside us. Your memories alive with us. You inspired us to rebuild this country. You just got us.
Tomorrow can't wait until tomorrow. Haiti, mi amor, Haiti, mon amour. Not gonna leave you stranded. Hey, not gonna leave you stranded. Oh no, oh no. It's not the angels that are on their way. It's not the bells of Santa Trinity. The people wait in position vacant for hands to help, not just to pray. Haiti, mi amor, Haiti, mon amour. Not gonna leave you stranded. Hey, not gonna leave you stranded. Oh no, oh no. Haiti va s'élever, tout va te relever. Nous nous élèverons ensemble, ensemble, ensemble. Not gonna leave you stranded. Not gonna leave you stranded.
Together, we won't break.